Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, got your own bread. Pot full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. You're my rock, my Colorado. Got the ring, just like Toronto. Love you now, a little more tomorrow. That's how I feel. Act like you know that you want.
Hi guys, if you would like to see more food content by me, then stay tuned. This is a sneak peek into the foods that I've prepared and eaten in 2023. Keep watching to see how I plate up this delicious, mouth-watering meal. If you can only smell the aromas filling up this kitchen right now, but I guess you just have to imagine. But just enjoy with your eyes for now. And as I get ready to plate up, please do get your forks and knives to come and eat with me. See how this beautiful dish is coming together. And to just finish it off, I'm going to add some coleslaw with a little bit of garnish. And there you have it, guys. Hope you liked every bit of this content.